Ever wondered what a million Shivlingas look like? Or how spirituality and adventure can blend seamlessly? Hold on tight, because we're diving into a world where mystery, history, and a million moments awaits. Welcome to Kotilingeshwar Temple, a heaven where stone whispers tales of faith and million lingams resonate with the echoes of devotion. Join us as we unveil the history, the legend, and the spirituality that binds these sacred grounds. Get ready to immerse yourself in a symphony of unity where million offerings becomes a collective song of reverence. And stay tuned for the journey of Antargan Caves that will awaken your soul, invite your curiosity, and leave you amazed of the divine presence that breathes within every stone. So, without any further delay, let us begin the journey. Kotilingeshwar Temple is located at around 100 kilometers from Bangalore via Kollar and will take around 3 hours to reach over there. You have to drive through Bangalore Tirupati highway where you will enjoy the driving away from the city. If you're watching our videos for the first time, then do hit the like button and do subscribe to our channel to support us and enjoy such beautiful journeys together in future. We come across this delightful lotus lake after a good breakfast during our journey. And with this view, our mind and soul got completely filled with the devotion and spirituality. As we step into this kingdom, you can feel the energy that resonates through every carved stone. But this isn't just a temple, it's a canvas that paints the tales of million devotees, each lingam representing a unique expression of faith. You might be wondering that what draws thousands of pilgrims and adventure enthusiasts to the sanctuary. Well, it's not just the divine energy, it's the thrill of exploration. It's a place where devotion takes on an awe inspiring form. Imagine a million lingams, each representing a unique story of faith and reverence. And speaking of devotion, imagine being here during Mahashivratri. The energy, the vibrancy, the celebration of Lord Shiva's cosmic dance. It's an experience that words can't fully capture. You have to be here to truly feel its magic. What's even more incredible is how this temple brings people together regardless of who they are and where they come from. It's a place that celebrates unity, reminding us that devotion transcends boundaries. But that's not all, guys. Kotilingeshwar Temple isn't just about the lingams. It's a story of a visionary's dream, a testament to unity and a journey that touches the soul. Every step we take here is a step into history, a step into devotion, and a step into realm where spirituality and the nature seamlessly intertwine. It's about the sense of unity that fills in the air. The spiritual energy here is palpable. People from all walks of life come together, offering their prayers, lightening essence, and immersing themselves in the divine aura. It's a feeling you have got to experience firsthand. But what truly sets this temple apart is the million Shivalingas, a collection that leaves you speechless. Each lingam symbolizes a devotee's heartfelt offering, and trust me, you have got to see it to believe it. As you stand before this awe inspiring symbol of devotion, the heart of Kotilingeshwar Temple holds a treasure that leaves no soul untouched. Behold the grandeur of the Central Shivalinga, a 108 feet, world's largest Shivalinga, a towering manifestation of Lord Shiva's divine presence. This is more than just a Shivalinga, it's an embodiment of faith, a beacon of reverence, and an experience that resonates far beyond the temple's wall. Come, let's dwell into the soul-stirring mystic of a central Shivalinga. The million Shivalingas here are more than a stone. They are a testament to the human spirit, to the stories we carry, and to the connection that transcend time. The stories we have uncovered are just a glimpse, a reminder that every temple, every place, and every journey has layers waiting to be discovered. So, whether you're a traveler, a seeker, or simply curious, we encourage you to make your way to Kotilingeshwara Temple. Let its stories become a part of your own and its serenity to become a source of your strength. Remember, this journey isn't just about exploring a temple, it's about connecting with something profound within us. The spirit of unity, the allure of adventure, and the sacredness of devotion, it's all here, waiting to be embraced. So, after visiting this heaven, we started our journey to the next stop, and that is Antargan. We are standing amidst the raw beauty of Antargan, a place where ancient rocks hold secrets and stories that have been waiting for us to uncover. It's located in Kolar, which you can cover in your return journey to Bangalore, and it will take an hour. One has to walk around 300 steps to reach at the top, hence, we recommend you to take enough water and food. However, be aware of the monkeys around. What's an adventure without stories? Local legend infuse Antargan with an air of mystery, mythical tales, and historical whispers that dance on the wind. As you traverse these rocky passages, remember that every step is a part of your own journey, a connection between you, the earth beneath, and the history that lives within the stones. Antargan's history is believed to trace back to ancient times when this rocky expanse served as a canvas for spiritual seekers. The name Antargan itself translates to Ganges from within, hinting at the subterranean water streams that flow beneath its surface, which you will get to taste at the top where there is a freshwater source. Legend says that Antargan is associated with the Hindu epic Ramayana. It's said that Lord Rama, in his quest to save Ma Sita, sought refuge in these caves during his exile. The caves, according to the stories, provided him with a shelter and solace. We were not allowed to enter the caves as it was late afternoon, so plan accordingly if you want to cover it. Antargan also holds a connection to Lord Shiva, a central deity in Hinduism. The presence of naturally formed Lingams within the caves adds to its spiritual significance. Devotees believe that these Lingams are manifestation of divine energy. Over the centuries, Antargan has whispered stories of seekers, sages, and pilgrims who found respite within this rocky embrace. It's said that these caves at Antargan served as meditation retreats within spiritual practitioners sought communion with the divine. While returning, we come across a canopy and a sitting area, from where you can take a look of the valley, which was really breathtaking. As our journey through a power-packed day has come to an end, I am reminded of how remarkable it was to witness a place where devotion and adventure intertwine. From a million Shivalingas that echoes with a million stories to a towering Central Shivalinga that stands as a testament to faith, and the serenity of a fresh water from the Antargan has left an indelible mark on our hearts. Thanks a ton guys for watching this video till the end. Do hit the like button if you enjoyed the video and share with your loved ones so that they'll understand more about this architectural marvel. Do show your love by subscribing to our channel for watching more of such journeys. Guys, we read a lot about the place and its significance before sharing with you all, and we do not intend to harm anyone's emotion. That's it for today from our side. See you in the next one. Bye bye.